I did not intend for today's video to be kind of a comedy. It just turned out that way. Give you a brief rundown before we get started. Me and my two youngest boys, Hunter and Jake, were at the ranch getting ready for some hunters to come in. And they decided they wanted to go fishing and do their own fishing video. So they took all my equipment, cameras, GoPros, gnats are bad, took my truck, and they went fishing. When I was editing this, I decided, you know what, man, I'm gonna leave this almost raw. I left in the arguing, the crap talking. They had no idea what to say at first. Anyway, it turned out really good. I didn't see this coming at first, but hope y'all enjoy it.
Get him. Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. Got him good.
How much do you think he weighs?
Good 10 pounds.
We'll see what you get.
My line got hung up.
He's lying. Oh, wow, bro. Hold on. What did we get? How much do you think this one weighs?
I don't know, about a pound and a half. What you got there?
Oh,
Get him in.
he's swimming. Oh, no.
Get him.
No, no, no.
Don't let him get away.
Ah, man. Pretty sized fish.
Oh, yeah. I have no idea what this is, y'all, but I just caught him on this little rooster tail right here. He got razor sharp teeth. I've never seen this in my life.
Alright, we're gonna go see what it is.
Cut it.
I'm gonna bite your too.
Cast again.
Alright. Let's cast. What up over there? Good cast. No, it wasn't.
Lucky save. You won't do that again. He got it hung up in them bushes over there on that tree. Man, these skeeters are bad out here.
It's like trying to eat you.
Making me bounce the camera all over the place.
I thought I got one.
Carp, but I have no idea.
That's the way out there. Think they stopped biting.
Yeah, it's getting about dark.
We'll come try back here in the morning.
Yeah. I'm gonna throw one more for good measure. See if I can catch me something good.
Come on. Ooh. Oh yeah, he's got way out there.
Come on. Let's see what she can catch.
I think we got all of them.
Nah.
We let most of the fish go.
Yeah, most of them too small to keep.
Mosquitoes.
Alright, we'll see y'all here tomorrow. We need to catch some more of them
It's not
tilapia.
working. Look.
Oh no, dude, hold on. You're gonna make me get hung up. I'm not paying attention. Oh! Oh! Dude, it was in his mouth, I swear. I didn't get the hook set because mosquito was on my back.
Is it good? Is it good?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna make my first cast. The other little pole broke.
Yeah, Spider-Man pole gave out.
I got a hook on a big fish. Oh yeah, that fish that we caught yesterday, what was it called?
It was a tilapia. They're invasive here.
Ah, these bugs.
Yeah, these mosquitoes are bad out here.
Ah. 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 Dude, we should go get some mosquito spray. I might run back up there and go get it. We're filming. Huh? You didn't believe me, did you? It's on playback mode. Yes, I did. I accidentally got it on playback mode. Yes, I did.
Turn it off and fix it.
That's it right there. We're gonna catch them. As soon as I cast it, we got them in the pothole, boy. Alright, we recording? We recording, all right. Yeah. We're rolling. We're rolling like a pole. I don't know, something just touched it. I don't know what it was. Hold on. Just like that, it's tied on there. Look, I'm using this one.
As soon as we stop recording, we're going to be catching all of them.
Look.
That's how it works.
This.
Top water right
Oh, that was a bad cast.
now. You know it's top water, right?
Yeah, I know. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Well, whenever you start rolling in there, it's like mid.
Whoa! You s-
Jake, it's a cranker.
No, that was definitely a fish. Oh!
It swims back and forth side to
No, a fish took it. I think I saw a fish.
Get it on video and we'll all see it.
No, the fish just don't want it. Maybe that was the lure.
Oh, no.
I don't know if this is... What am I doing? Holy cow.
We gotta catch him.
Yeah, you catch them and I believe you. We've been out here for 2 hours.
About an hour and a half. Yeah,
I doubt that. I think all the fish are hiding from us.
Yeah. We caught all of them yesterday. We threw half of them back, so I don't know where they went.
Oh, there's bubbles over there.
Yep. Probably a turtle. Trying to figure out why there ain't no fish in this pond either.
I mean, one bass, I'd be happy. Yeah, but there's nothing.
We've been here for an hour and a half and ain't caught nothing. We lost a couple lures, lost a couple bobbers.
You're gonna get hung right there.
Better not. Better get hung up on a big 10-pound ass that doesn't exist.
There's definitely fish out here.
Yeah, we caught them all yesterday. That's why they ain't coming.
Nah, they ran away.
Well, I got an idea. We'll go out the way so you get thrown in the pond. Oh, that's a tree.
You catch a fish, I start fishing.
Yeah, that's kind of how it works.
This pond's pretty big.
I'll believe it when I see it, kind of stuff. I'm gonna catch my bobber back.
These right here are hot dogs. You can eat them.
It's called the hot dog challenge. Oh my God! Look at that bass up there.
Oh, I see him. We were just we were just casting over there.
There's another flash over there. I'm trying to cast all the way on that bank, but it ain't happening.
They're hard as a brick.
Yeah.
Oh. How's it smell?
No, you can't get in the bowl.
I don't know if y'all thought that was as comical as I did, but I sure enjoyed editing it, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. I didn't expect this to happen, like I said earlier. It was just off the fly. The big fish that Hunter caught, he had no idea what it was. It was a tilapia. I don't know how it got in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of 5,000 acres on the Mexican border, an hour and a half from town. I do know from ranches I got it on many years ago that they had these big ponds, lakes, private stuff, and they would stock tilapia to feed the bass. So I'm assuming that's what happened. Birds brought the eggs in or something, going from one pond to the next, because it's the only one they caught. Nobody put it there. So I don't know how that went, but it sure was delicious anyway. We tried to do some hog hunt, but it was too hot. I did some cooking. I just decided this was too good just to leave it the way it was. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned. I got some more stuff coming up, some more good stuff. It's just hot right now, so it's hard to get any good video. But we're working on it. Like I said, thank y'all again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.